Guru Mastha Vaishnava Satkarma Nipuno Vipra Mandra Tandra Visharadaha A Vaishnavo Guru Nasashyat Vaishnava Sopacho Guru. A Brahmana, the expert in the six kind of activities, after performance of the yajna, sacrifice, study of the shastra, and teaching is to others, giving in charity and accepting gift from others, the skillful recitation of mantras, and who is learned in the science of tantra cannot be accepted as a guru if he is not a Vaishnava. On the other hand, if a person is born in the family of Chandalas, dog eater, but it is devotedly engaged in the worship of Lord Vishnu, he is fit to be accepted as a guru according to the Shastric injunction. Satkarma Nipuno Vipra Mandra Tandra Visharadaha A Vaishnava Guru Nasashyat Vaishnava Swapacho Guru. Satkarma Nipuno Vipra Mandra Tandra Visharadaha A Vaishnava Guru Nasashyat